Hello everybody, my name is otto.oome. How to install a VPN on your iPhone. Please keep watching. Give me a minute to explain the purpose of this short YouTube video. I am a Dutch YouTuber from Belgium with YouTube videos in Dutch. I have some good YouTube videos which have subtitles in English. So if you are looking for a popular video in how to install a VPN on your iPhone, click on the link which you see in the right top corner, or click on the link in the description of this YouTube video. If this kind of forward YouTube video is a success, I will subtitle also other popular videos of mine. For my Dutch YouTube video fans, you can watch the movie anyway without a problem. Click on the link in the description of this YouTube video, and thanks for supporting me. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please activate also the bell notification, help me to reach 1000 subscribers or more of course. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment below this YouTube video. Bye!